Any mention?
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, there's one
Yes,
urgent matter, Your Lordship, urgent matter mentioned memo, Your Lordship, to be listed today.
regarding what?
Yes, because tomorrow is the last day of filing nomination of Wahadadar, election of Wahadadar, Your Lordship.
When notification come out?
On 21st of on 21st November, Your Lordship.
What is your grievance?
My name has been deleted from the voter list, Your Lordship.
You want to vote?
Yes, I want to vote and contest also, Your Lordship, for the.
You see, when does the election process start? When does the voters list come out?
On 21st itself, Your Lordship.
21st, now
Yes.
we are 20.
We are 27.
21st, your name was not there, the voters 21st.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Elections are when?
Election date has not been finalized, Your Lordship. Not officially declared, but it was on sometime December.
Then tomorrow. I thought elections are tomorrow.
No, the nomination. Last date of filing nomination tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Lordship.
See, the thing is that on what, who's appearing, who will be the respondent counsel here? District counsel?
District Council.
Okay, get it listed, but then I don't think, yes, for today. Today.
But, I beg to mention items 17, 18 and 22, my lord. But 17, if your lordships can have it after vacation.
MS Lingo, 18, 19.
And 22, my lord. My lord, 18 is that Nehu matter, my lord, those appointment of professors.
Yes.
My lord, 18, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, and there's some urgency in the matter, my lord. So
You all have been taking adjournments repeatedly. Why? Now the year's ending, you want
My lord, with the condition in the university, my lord, I think it's...
next week, then 18 also. You prepare
lord.
in next week.
a short date, my lord, a short date.
Next week.
My
Now
lord,
not on Thursday, or Wednesday.
Item 22 also after vacation.
17 after vacation, 18 next week, and
22 after vacation.
20 after vacation. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship.
Prakash Kumar, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. If the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No urgency.
No urgency, Your Lordship.
And that come after vacation, 1 week after vacation, yes. On the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Right, Lordship. May please, Your Lordship. Your
May I
Lordship,
please, Your Lordship?
Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 23, Lordship.
Twenty-three.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may the matter may be listed after vacation, Lordship.
Why? No urgency.
Lordship,
You're for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, actually some instruction is required from the petitioner, Lordship, because the petitioner is busy in the marriage of his daughter, Lordship. So
After vacation, yes.
after vacation, Lordship.
Also, you put- Yes.
Must complete.
may please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship. The IO is requiring more time, Your Lordship, for the investigation of the.
What you said, the forensic report
Yes,
already received?
already received.
4 weeks
On the
time
last
was
date,
granted on the
4 weeks
last
time was granted, Your Lordship.
What to do? Listed after 2 weeks, SSC, on the prayer of the government advocate.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 16, this election petition, Lordship. I could not go through the records in the registry.
Where's the petition?
I have filed an adjournment application, Lordship.
See, we all not serious. No, there's no point now.
There
I'm
was-
not. This could not give importance to these election matters. They
There was
just go in
some
circles.
there was some issue with the copies which were served,
Issue the
Lordship.
election petitioner.
No, there were some issues with regard to the copies which were served. I could not verify the entire records from the
We'll
registry.
go after
Lordship.
vacations then. Yes, I've seen.
Lordship, I have it after vacation, sir.
I've seen adjournment application filed by the. This is filed by the election petitioner. Stop. Matter stands adjourned to after vacations for the reasons stated therein.
Lordship. Obliged.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. We're awaiting instructions in this
Where's
matter, Your
Mr.
Lordship.
Jha? You informed him.
I'll inform him, Your Lordship. I've not seen him.
Let him come. With all fairness, we have to wait. Yes. We mentioned that thing.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Others, there are very few matters today. Yeah.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is aggrieved by the failure of the respondent authority to dispose of my representation, seeking consideration for promotion as per the Meghalaya Staff Rules 2019, Your Lordship.
Meghalaya?
Meghalaya Houses Staff Service Rules 2019.
Who are you now? You're serving as what?
I'm serving as a handyman, Your Lordship.
Handyman?
Yes,
You're a
Your
grade 4 post.
Grade 4 post.
Now, how you see entitled? How long you been working? Where's the appointment order? Appointment order, where is it?
Appointment under Annexure 1, Your Lordship, which is at page 18, Your Lordship.
Page?
18. I was provisionally appointed in the year on 9th February 2005, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, my post was regularized in the year 2007.
Where is that?
That is page 19, Annexure 2, Your Lordship. I've been serving the department.
Okay, so you were selected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then?
After serving the department for almost 19 years, Your Lordship, during my tenure, Your Lordship, I've made several representations to the respondent authorities to consider my promotion, Your Lordship.
Okay, heard MS Akathian.
Lordship, at page 19, my lord,
Yes.
what has fallen from the petitioners that they have been regularized, if I may read, Lordship, on the recommendation of the selection committee and subject to discharge without notice.
Which selection committee is this?
This is at page 19, Lordship.
Which selection committee is this? Not the regular selection committee?
My lord, if it's subject to discharge without notice, this is not a regularized post at all, my lord. What is their locus standi to come before this honorable court?
Appointed, see. On a selection committee subject to discharge, take instructions.
Lordship.
What kind of appointment is this? Yes, heard as a subject, counsel petitioner, MS Inshallah with so is present, except on behalf of all the respondents. We got notice call for just after vacations for instructions for affidavit. Yes.
Lordship, only 1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord. Only 1 to 3, Lordship.
Notice to 1, 2, 3. Notice to go to the respondent number. But even then, they're all government officers.
But my lord,
all 5. Yes. You can easily ask for instructions on that.
Lordship, I much obliged, Lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
Yes, ready.
Your Lordship, actually, senior counsel is having some personal difficulties, Your Lordship. There's some medical urgency in their family, Your Lordship.
But Oxman then also have it after vacations only.
Then we'll impose costs.
Lordship.
How much cost you'll pay?
Lordship, there's some medical urgency in their
Mr.
family.
Pala here. There's matters fixed for hearing for on the application under Order 711. However, an adjournment application has been filed, taking time due to personal difficulty of the Argentina Council. This is a matter of vacations.
Item number 2.
If you're not trusted, then why waste the course time? Might as well wait for next elections.
Lordship, the pleadings are completed, Lordship.
1 second. Yes?
Pleadings are completed, Lordship.
Listed today for hearing.
Lordship, it's in the order
Last
section.
order, see?
Lordship, the last order says
Yes,
that.
yes. Once submit pleadings complete.
Lordship, therefore, I'm praying for 10 days' time, Lordship. Let this matter come in the hearing section.
Is for admission hearing or what is it for?
It's listed for orders today, Your Lordship.
It's in the
Yes,
orders
this is
list.
a matter for hearing and usual courses.
10 days. Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
If I may, my lord. My lord, this matter is regarding the payment of the defrauded amount to the petitioner.
You have paid, my lord.
My lord, the respondents have already complied with your lordship's order, so this matter may be closed, my lord.
Yes, submitted that order stated to be violated Mr. Complied. He stated that it is submitted that the order which is stated to be violated has been complied. Accordingly, contempt stands closed.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Lordship, we are in touch with the director. Instructions from the director is awaited.
What do you mean you didn't touch the director?
Lordship, we've spoken to him even yesterday.
What's the matter about?
Pension.
When is the matter filed?
Lordship, July, 24th of July.
No affidavit till now.
Lordship.
Who's the director of which is this?
Education.
Irrigation?
Education.
Though this matter has been filed since 19 July 2024, the state respondents are yet to come up, are yet to file affidavit or come with instructions. This is matter after. Now is the 27th. This is a matter after 10 days. Expect the next date inspection to be forthcoming here.
5.
But we have already.
Where's the legal aid counsel?
Yes, ma'am, I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. Rakhi Mrs. Datta. But we have already filed the serve a copy of the affidavit on the other side. Madam, we are filing it in the, yes.
Complaint, where is that?
Madam, we are in the process. We'll file it today. Filing it, Madam. We've already prepared. The copies have already been advanced.
Lordship, my submission is that since the petitioner has preferred a representation before the government, let the government take a call, Lordship.
Where is the representation?
Let it come on record, Madam. We are in the process of filing it.
What's this matter about?
Non-payment of salary, Lordship. They claim that since 2004 they have not got salary.
Not been paid the salary, Madam.
2004? 20
Yes.
years ago?
Till 15.
2004 till 15?
Yes.
But are you a regular teacher?
She's not a regular
No,
teacher.
not a regular teacher, Madam.
Okay, Mr. S. Thapa, for the petitioner, the government petitioner, submits that the representation complaint has been filed by the affidavit. However, as the same is not yet on board, this matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 6.
Yeah, Dr. Muzika.
Filed affidavit, Madam.
Already filed?
Yes, Your Worship.
Yes.
Your Honor, we would like to go straight for the hearing, Your Lordship. We will not file the rejoinder, Your Honor.
Yes, your name?
R. Hongre. R. Hongre.
R. Hongre.
Yes, Your Lordship.
R. Hongre, the counsel petitioner. Praise the matter will for hearing. For the submits the rejoinder not necessary. We will be happy to try with the respondents. Accordingly, this matter for hearing after the vacation is.
Your Lordship, if it can be done after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why? What's the urgency?
You know, it's regarding appointment and selection, Your Lordship. That's one.
Yes, Dr. Mozika, can you finish up now? What's the matter about?
My lord, here what happened, my lord? He was shortlisted, my lord, in Assam Rifle Recruitment Rally. And then in the routine medical examination, he was found to be suffering from digital tremor, some disease, my lord.
Digital meaning?
Tremors. Digital tremors, Your Lordship.
Digital tremors. Digits, I think the fingers, some
Okay.
problem. And then he opted for review medical examination. There also it was affirmed that he is suffering from that. So he was not given appointment. Against that they have come, my lord.
Have you been serving or you just you not started serving as yet?
No.
Where's the affidavit?
Para 2 and subpara B, C, and D. my lord. Seniors available.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel will be appearing from Delhi, Your Lordship, so after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Then.
Who's the conducting counsel?
Sahila Lamba from High Court of Delhi, Your Lordship.
Okay, take your chance after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
And list the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
But you remember that if we are found medically unfit at the time of recruitment itself, and as the review medical board is still found unfit, then there are many judgments, that are against you. You look at that. Yeah.
7.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
The 7, I'm praying for some time, my lord. I'm appealing for district council.
Lordship, the matter pertains to running of a check gate without any tender, without any.
Who run the check gate?
The private respondent, Lordship. This matter was filed since September. There's
You
some
file your,
sense
file,
of
your,
urgency.
file your affidavit.
Not yet, Lordship.
Why?
There's some instruction, Lordship, from private respondent.
What instructions? Was he running it illegally or legally?
Here only the tenure was extended, my lord. He was initially appointed after due tender, my lord.
You're for number 6. Who's Mr. Sheikh appearing for whom?
He was for the private.
You're with Mr. Sheikh? No, you're with Mr. Sheikh in the matter. Then?
On the last occasion, Mr. Sheikh had appeared for the.
For whom?
For the single private respondent, Lordship.
Right. So who's the counsel for number 6? Then where's Mr. Sheikh come in the picture? How? Okay. What's your prayer?
Lordship, for 3 years the check gate was given to the respondent in 2021, supposed to expire in 24, without any tender, without any
Is a Weybridge?
Non-tribal gate.
Check gate for the treating of non-tribal.
Where's the secretary located?
Lordship, the check gate is located at Suna Pirdi, Lordship, in East Janta Hills. Suna Pirdi, Lordship. It's Suna Pirdi in East Janta Hills.
Assam border.
Extended for another 2 years, Lordship, without any. On the basis of a representation, without any tender, without any. And there are some judgments by this honorable court.
Who are you?
Lordship, I was one of the prospective.
You joined, you had a run a check gate earlier on?
Earlier, Lordship, I was there in this business. And in this particular check gate, I wanted to bid, but there was no tender, Lordship. Then I filed RTI, and in the RTI came
Where's
to know
RTI?
that Lordship, the RTI is at page 67. 66 is the copy of the
So
RTI.
renewed for how long?
Another 2 years, Lordship.
They'll expire when?
In 2026.
At page where the RTI?
Lordship, page is at 66, starts from 66. 68 is the impugn order, Lordship. 68. Finally, I have page
Yes.
71. The paragraph, second last paragraph at page 71, Lordship. This has been extended from 24 June 2024 to 23rd June 2026 for 2 years.
There is then extension clause in the original lease agreement?
Yes,
There is, Lordship, and we have annexed some other lease agreements also. That extension clause is not there in any of the other lease agreements.
But it's here when it was signed initially.
Yes, in this case. So here
It
they
is governed by recitals of the lease deed itself. If the lessors have, if they're going by the recitals of the lease deed where they have the power to extend, then it's up to their discretion.
Lordship, extension may be, Lordship, for 6 months or so. Here they have extended for 2 years, Lordship, which is 75% of the original term of the tender.
So they need to seek civil remedy.
Lordship, let them come, because what was the reason for extension was, Lordship,
But the
COVID
reason for extension
banning
was,
of
my lord, a
limestone
very
and
detailed order has been passed. First factor was COVID, my lord. Second factor was closure of coal. So the tender amount he has paid, my lord, considering all those aspects, it has been extended, my lord.
21 supposed to expire.
24.
When was the where's the agreement? Last agreement.
The agreement, Lordship, is at page 60, Lordship, 60. for 3 years. And there was
Where's
an
the extension clause?
extension clause at clause 17, page 64, Lordship.
Clause 17. See?
There has to be some grievance.
That if it's a reasoned order, and if it's as in the terms of the lease agreement, then
Lordship,
it does not say that on the end of the tenure, the lease, the gate will be auctioned again or tendered again or calling for tenders. That doesn't extend at the end of this agreement shall be the sole executive and absolute prerogative and discretion of first party on such terms conditions, if any, however, we grant a genuine, legitimate, logical, and justifiable grounds.
So, Lordship, our contention,
So you
Lordship.
have to show why the grounds are justifiable for extension.
Lordship. So, if I may pray, let them file the affidavit. We have spelled out, Lordship, because these.
But won't you find your relief somewhere else?
We want because, Lordship, there are certain judgments also passed by this Honorable Court where they say that extension cannot be done without tender, Lordship.
If the agreement says so, if the agreement doesn't say so, yes.
Lordship. Reasons have to be, Lordship. Our grievance is that, and moreover, we are concerned with the period also, Lordship, for 2 years.
Response number 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Mr. Khakram for 6 brief follow for a 2 weeks time for affidavits. This is the draft.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm going further pay for 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit in this case.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship, considering.
For the 2 weeks time is agreed. We know she's closed now. Yes.
9.
Allowed. For affidavit.
I'm awaiting instructions, but I'm taking some more time.
How many times you grant? What's the matter about?
I have taken this
grant of service benefits, Lordship.
Senior grade
For
pay scale.
senior time scale. It's an increment.
For the 2 weeks, as parade allowed.
I'm praying for 3 weeks, my lord. The instructions come from Delhi. It doesn't matter.
Okay, 3 weeks. 3 weeks will be in
Next year. We file it immediately.
10.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, we have taken steps for the respondent number 1 and 2, Lordship. However, Lordship, the status report is showing that items have been returned. So, Lordship, we may be
return fine. Fine. There's no school. Okay. What are you going to do? School is not present. There's no school in this Morang village.
Morang.
Have you got a right school?
Lordship, this Morang LP school is here, Lordship, and that's why we have filed this.
The Morang LP LP UP secondary school.
Yes, Lordship.
There's no school.
Lordship, previously also there was other petitions, Lordship, which wasn't disposed by this.
They appeared.
Pertaining to this same school.
They appeared.
Lordship.
The school appeared.
Lordship.
Strange. Management Committee Morang LP LUP School. Why Management Committee should make it as absolute secretary? You don't know a name of a person. Who's the secretary Management Committee?
Lordship, that I'm not aware, Lordship. Therefore.
And there even your inquiry officer Morang Secondary School. Your address is faulty. Mr. Tidakhar Pace was allowed to correct the nomenclature of sponsor 1 and 2 and to take fresh steps accordingly. Other school does not exist. School, there's no management committee. No one accept. If management committee will accept. You make it the correct inquiry officer, give by name.
I'll rectify that.
Yes.
11.
Yes, after 3 weeks. For further orders. You take steps. Rectify this.
Just for affidavit. I'm praying for some more time.
For 3 weeks' time is good. How to respond for affidavit is that after is concerned.
Hearing. Item number 12.
My Lord has heard all of us on the occasion. In the last occasion, my friend sought time to get some clarification from the government.
With regard to the date 4th, 5th and
Yes,
receipt
yes.
on 2/5, where's Kohli?
Your Lordship, Ms. Kohli is on legs.
Matter come at the end of boot.
I pray, my Lord, you may come up tomorrow and allow us to just
Not
in
allowed
writing
to file
the-
anything.
No, not fact, man. Only the gist of our argument. 1 page only. That no need to go for a hearing again. Lordship has heard us number of times.
Okay, do you give your gist of points?
Gist of points.
Not tomorrow, Lordship.
Yes.
Day after
Final
tomorrow.
hearing.
Day after tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow.
Friday?
Friday.
Bit difficult. Okay, Fridays, yes. I don't want to keep any CAV.
Yes.
15.
Let's matter day after tomorrow. Parties are permitted to submit their respective points of arguments if necessary. Yes. Yes. Yes.
15.
Where's Mr. Jha? Missing in action. That's not in action, it's in action. He's hardly comes, yes.
Your Lordship, let the matter come up after vacations.
As there's no representation on behalf of the petition matter after vacations. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
19.
Please, Lordship. This is the matter where the wife of the deceased doctor, Lordship, who had unfortunately died in the
Yes.
CR, Lordship.
Yes.
For compensation. Lordship, they have filed, the state has filed an affidavit, Lordship, we have filed a rejoinder.
Where's the affidavit?
Lordship, in the affidavit they have said that the temporary barricade was there, which is not correct. And moreover, they have said that, Lordship, since I have received the insurance money from the insurance company, I am not entitled to any compensation. And they have also denied my claim for ex gratia compensation on the ground that, Lordship, it was a road traffic accident and not in.
Excuse me. The road was closed.
Lordship, there was no barricade. We have annexed so many.
What is the lecture 2? When did the accident happen?
Lordship, the accident happened on 7th of December 2022.
7 December 22.
We have annexed a bunch of newspaper articles and pictures also,
One
Lordship.
second, no. This happened in Suntuksya to Charmang Road accident.
There was a gorge, Lordship. We have put the pictures. There was a 90-foot drop.
But the road was closed. How do you go on the road?
There was no barricade at all, Lordship. There was
See, the
not
18
a single.
18/6/2022 order.
Lordship, yes.
That puts the the shoe on the other foot, Mr. Deb. If the road's closed, he was not aware the road was closed.
A 144 order was issued on 18 June.
114, 144.
That Lordship, but
144.
no, on the in the ground reality, there was nothing to show, Lordship, that, and there was not even a single hoarding. And after the accident happened, a singular signboard was put by the PWD, Lordship. This was widely reported in across the news also, that what's happened, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the
Oh, you have cleared the petition.
Lordship may kindly come to my page 30 of the writ petition. This is the
30.
FIR which was lodged immediately after the incident.
Yes.
The FIR which was lodged.
Yes.
At page 30.
Yes.
If I may quickly read, Lordship, the bottom part, Lordship, they met with an accident, Lordships have it. At around 4 p.m., they met with an accident with resulting death of my husband and my daughter suffered serious injuries due to the landslide occurred on that area, but sad to tell that PWD department did not put any signboard which indicated the closure, bad condition of the broken
Have you
road.
taken pictures of the road?
Lordship,
Was any signage at all?
and thereafter,
Because see, the case it hinges on two things. Now, it is not a question of a road being a normal thoroughfare. The thing is that this particular road, on 18/6/2022, a section 144 order was promulgated saying that do not use this road. It's closed. Anyone using it will be like this. There's a threat to human life. Correct? Yes. Now your case is that you're not aware of that notice.
in fact, the road was
There were
never
no
closed
signages.
also. There was a school picnic in Sintukishia. I was going there along with the
Right, no, whatever purpose you're going for, that's immaterial. But the fact remains that your only contention that there were no signages, nothing, you were totally, yes.
If Lordship will kindly come to page 36.
So you're speaking about tortious, strict liability or absolute liability?
Culpable, they are
What do you mean by culpable? If you're
the
talking about,
absolute
see,
liability,
you're talking about now you're going in the realm of tortious liability, because it's not a question of there was no warning to you or an accident happened where, okay, fine, it's due to negligence of. Now, what is the negligence? In India, there's a big difference between absolute strict liability. You know about that. You're aware of the law.
Our entire grievance is against the PWD not putting any signage or any caution, Lordship. And in fact, a similar accident occurred immediately after they issued the 144 order in June itself. But there was no casualty. No casualty. That's why that was, Lordship, it was left there. Lordship will kindly see the
No,
news.
but the government is said there were signages over there to show that, but you're not shown anything in the affidavit.
They
or
have
any
put a
photograph
single
to show
line
that
saying that
to show
temporary
that there
barricade
was any sign that roads closed. Because if the road's unsafe, it is incumbent upon the department to close the road totally.
Nothing was done from June till the time this accident happened, and even thereafter. After the accident on 9th December, they put a singular signboard, Lordship, saying that don't use the road. And that has been reported in the newspaper also.
Where's the report?
Lordship, kindly have page 30 of the writ petition, 36. Page 36, Lordship, is of 9th December. Lordship, we kindly come to the next page. At the bottom, Lordship, it is learned that the road which connects Chirmang village was washed away by monsoon rains in June this year, and since then the PWD did not repair the road nor put up any barricade to signal commuters about the danger. There were none, Lordship.
Lordship, if I may, my lord, at page 3, at paragraph 9 of my affidavit, Lordship,
Yes.
if I may read, Lordship, that with regard to the averments made in paragraph 9 of the writ petition, the answering deponent states that the aforementioned road is a mere 3 meters wide, constructed for rural connectivity. The maximum speed for a vehicle on this rural road is 30 kilometers per hour, Lordship. My lord, at this juncture, my lord, I pray that I may be given some time, Lordship, because after the examination of the vehicle that has met with the accident, we do not have the information as to what was the speed that the deceased was traveling at, Lordship.
That's immaterial now.
Lordship,
What
but,
loss of life?
if I may further read, Lordship, the maximum speed for a vehicle on this rural road is 30 kilometers per hour with cautionary signboards set up at many locations at this road to adhere to this speed limit, Lordship. Moreover, it's pertinent to state herein that the order dated so-and-so was still in effect. All roads were being washed away due to the heavy rains. The order remained enforced with the road being closed for public use, Lordship.
Right, no, the thing is that it's not that MSLS. The question is that closure of the road should not be in the file of the Deputy Commissioner.
Lordship.
I mean, if there was an order where they felt that authorities had felt it could, then there should be signages like do not go on this road.
Lordship.
Now, if that was not done, then there's culpabilities there. But what kind of liability you will have That is the only question that we will.
Lordship, what has happened was immediately after the road was washed off, huge boulders had been kept, Lordship, to prevent the travelling of people. But with the passage of time, maybe they were removed, Lordship.
The boulders rolled down.
Lordship, I'm not in a position to, because there further landslides occurred thereafter, Lordship.
The signboard should be the signage, very important. A lot of accidents happen on the highway because there's no proper signage.
Lordship, with regard to this, if
You've
I may
given-
seek
where's
further
the chart?
instructions, my lord.
What's the chart you've given regarding the payment? Yes.
Payment, my lord, is at page 5.
Yes.
Official duty. And at page 5.
Compassionate ground or point out of the question.
Yes.
And the only thing you give them some money.
But Lordship, the claim of the petitioners that the accident was met when he was on duty. Whereas Lordship,
Doesn't matter.
at our affidavit, Lordship, at page 6,
Yes.
by the petitioner's own admission at paragraph 5 and 6 of the writ petition, her deceased husband was not in the course of performing his bona fide official duty at the time of the accident, but was enjoying some recreational time.
Where it?
Lordship, at
Okay,
page
fine.
6, Lordship.
It's okay.
Because at paragraph 5 and 6 of the writ petition, Lordship, the petitioner has specifically mentioned that her husband along with their daughter were travelling to Sintuxia to accompany their son for a school picnic. How does this fall under official duty, Lordship?
No, that's all right. We're not looking to that.
No, but
We're
Lordship,
looking-
what
we're
I'm
looking-
saying is that
we're looking into
MACT,
that.
they have
We are
received that
looking-
19 point something lakhs,
Doesn't
Lordship.
matter. We're looking into, like, what's the doctrine of strict liability.
Lordship,
That's
with
it.
regard to that, as
Because
I've read,
what they're claiming is purely on the, a tortious liability on the part of the state. The negligence was there. Although there's an order saying that the road was closed, it also it heightens negligence because in spite of order existing.
But my
now
lord, to
the
allege,
question, the road not repair fine. In spite of an order existing,
Lordship,
there were steps were taken to show that the road was in. There were no signage was put up, no barriers put up to say that don't use this road.
Lordship, if we're going towards tort, Lordship, then liability has to be proven. So for that, Lordship, I pray for some time, if I may seek further
Liability,
instruction, Lordship.
there are judgments.
Lordship.
In Indian, because in the Indian context and the common law, English context.
Common law,
it's
Lordship,
different.
mostly in the
No,
common
it's different. It's different. India also there's a doctrine of
Lordship.
strict liability. Yes.
Lordship. So I pray for some time, Lordship, because if we're coming towards tort, Lordship, I'll have to seek further
Looking
instructions.
down,
my lord.
in the course of hearing, as the petitioner has submitted that, notwithstanding the fact that the road had been closed by an official order, there were no indicators or signage that could have prevented the deceased from taking the road, which unfortunately led to his death. Next paragraph, MSNG Shilala Senior Advocate on this question of culpability and perhaps tortious liability of the respondent seeks time to prepare the matter, list the matter of applications here.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Otherwise it'll be, they also have to be responsible. They can't without signage and all.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 20.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Start.
Lordship, some accommodation will be granted.
What accommodation? This is accommodated enough.
Senior counsel is having some personal difficulties.
Yes.
Senior counsel is leading us in this matter, Your Lordship.
It's all right, he's leading, but he's not there today. So, have there been details been made out of occupants? Because out there, the more occupants are there, because that's just like no man's land, and the occupants are just occupying this place.
Your Lordship, I have filed detailed
Showing occupants.
affidavit regarding this, all the bringing on record all the documents. So let the matter come up after vacation. Is it before vacation?
We'll have it now.
After vacation.
See, you made this code redundant now. It's then 15 and. Where's the unlisted motion? Hasn't come.
Yes, I just received a copy just now.
Okay, let's just matter after vacation as the Hugging Council is not present.
Much obliged.
Yes? Where's Mr. Nongbri? You didn't file a matter? What, defective? You filed it just now?
No, it's already there.
I was served just now.
There where?
In the filing section, judiciary.
And the last date for filing of nominations, I believe, is tomorrow. Scrutiny is day after.
And voters list came 21st. That's why I'm saying we'll take it on board. Whether you can convince the court to give interim orders, that's entirely up to you. Show me a copy of petition. You have an extra copy?
Once the process of elections is started, it can be
has-
stalled at this.
Even the
only if
date
this
of election
very
also has
extenuating
not been
circumstances.
finalized, Your Lordship.
Doesn't matter, but nominations, see. Okay, June 2024, your serial number appeared as serial number 55.
Yes.
515, two petitioners.
There are two petitioners, Your Lordship.
Yes, and 528. Then you don't stay in Shala anymore.
I'm there, Your Lordship. I'm still there, and more interestingly, is Your Lordship, my family members are still there.
They're not the
And they-
voters list also.
They are there in the voter list.
Where
no
is your,
complaint, no objection.
Where do you generally work or stay?
Stay in that same village, Your Lordship.
You're a farmer?
Yes, Your Lordship. My EPIC card also is there,
Let's
and
see.
everything is there. EPIC card is at page
Let's
annexure 1 and
see
2.
the voters list. First voters list where your name was there. What page?
'29 is the copy of the voters list. No?
This is the first voters list. You shoot on?
Your Lordship, it's
This was. This is the second voters list.
This is second voter list. First voter list.
23.
No. First voters
First
list.
voters list is 23.
Yes. It's
Oh,
will
23,
be
sir.
at page 24 and 25, Lordship.
No. First voters list.
Yes, Lordship.
Earlier voters list.
Yes, it's page 23.
Where's your name?
My name is at page 24. It's serial number 515, last.
Okay.
And in page 25 is at serial number 528, Your Lordship.
Okay. Two petitioners. Right. Then?
Then you
What are your objections to your names?
there's an objection.
Where's
That
the
objection also, it was a belated objection.
Where with objection?
The objection, Your Lordship, is in the last annexure, Your Lordship. This is a type copy will be at page 54.
Okay. Non-habitant.
Yes.
Yes.
Basically on non-habitants. And
So
moreover,
you don't
Your
stay there in this.
Yes,
You
Lordship.
don't stay
yes,
in this.
I'm doing work there only, in the village only, Your Lordship. And more interestingly, Your Lordship, is that the impugned order where
Yes.
where my
Where's the pin order? Where's deleted?
impugned order, Your Lordship, you'll find page 50, Your Lordship.
You were heard before deletion?
No, Your Lordship. No notice was issued to me. No, even not a copy of this complaint was served to me.
Hmm.
And this, and most interestingly, Your Lordship, this complaint, it was filed on 1st of October. Whereas, as per the notification, which is at annexure 3, Your Lordship.
Okay, so let's see first the order executive committee.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Read it slowly while waiting for your file to come. If it doesn't come defective, you would get new orders. Yes. Yes. Page 50.
I'll just read, Your Worship.
Hmm.
Pertaining to the complaint dated 1st October 2024, filed by the Secretary of Shala on voters list of Wahadada, the Executive Committee, Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council, after careful perusal of the complaint filed by the Secretary of Shala Village, dated 1st October 2024, which consists of following names along with their respective serial numbers appearing in the voter list of Shala Confederacy. Here, as per this list, Your Worship, my serial number will be 515.
Okay.
And
next paragraph, read.
Yes. On further detail, examination of the matter, it may have came to light that the above mentioned name have been recommended and included in the voter list without the knowledge and consent of Khair Sola Shela and the Darbar of Shela village, which have created lots of confusion and also in contrary to Section 6 of the United Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Act 1955. For that, such action cannot be done so directly at the level of acting Wadada, passing the procedural setup of Khair Sola Shela and the Darbar of Shela village. In view of above finding, the above mentioned names are hereby deleted and the election shall proceed accordingly.
Yes.
I've just pointed out here, Your Lordship, this complaint was filed on 1st of October 2024. If Your Lordship would kindly come
where you get it first of, oh yes, did it, okay.
Yes.
Yes, 110. Yes.
If Your Lordship would please come to page 22.
You're sure no notice was issued to them?
No, no notice was issued.
Sure?
No notice was issued.
Should be like later on,
no
tomorrow
copy,
it comes out.
even the copy of this complaint we just received on day before yesterday, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This as per this notification 12 June 2024. I just read, Your Lordship. This is for the general information to the whole Shala Confederacy that the voter list for the election of new Wahadada of the Confederacy has been finalized. The same can be viewed from the office of the acting Wahadada and from this office. Therefore, if any names is not included, wrongly entered, or any objection on the inclusion of any person's name in the voters list, they are to intimate in writing through the acting Wahadada along with the prescribed application fee of ₹5 only for one individual and to deliver to this office on or before the date 12th of July, Your Lordship.
Mr. Dingo, that's the only thing, that's only handle he might have.
Yes. 12th of July. And if Your Lordship...
So you are filing nomination, you think you have a good chance of succeeding?
That is my right, Your Lordship. I have to...
No, you're right, whatever is right, but then like, by your own estimate, okay, of the record, you're going to win for sure.
Your Lordship.
For Hadadar office,
yes,
last elections were held when, Mr. Dingo,
it's a long time, Your Lordship. It's this
last elections were held when, 2015?
16 years ago.
16 years ago.
16 years ago.
My unlimited prayer, Your Lordship, in the mid...
Unlimited prayer or limited prayer?
Limited prayer, Your Lordship, with regard to this notification, Your Lordship. Just pending this because disposal of this, because we have challenged this judgment also, because, Your Lordship, this...
See, the one thing, Mr. Dingdo, you let him file nomination, but then like before elections are conducted, you just have a hearing, hear him. That's all.
Yes.
And if his we don't interfere with the election process.
Yes.
The only thing is that he has brought, though he's come in the 11th hour, he's brought a, if the notice is correct, that objection on 1st October, the last date was...
Yes, Lordship. If Lordship, the next page also, whereas the
other... Let me seek instruction, let it come up tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day.
An application filed by the other...
let me seek instructions, let the matter...
Tomorrow he can, by telephone, he can inform them.
Yes, yes. Let it come up
no order necessary. Let the motion come
tomorrow.
Yeah, take it back.
Highly obliged.
Nakam order ek tu. Still, Kamu search kan? Isang file mata from it, saya. But mention, on by mention, list tomorrow. Yes. Let him take instruction.